Hello everyone, I am Monica. Today our topic is preposition with the word died. We use different prepositions with this word. For example, died of, died from, died by, died through, died for, died in, die in harness, die with somebody, die with. What preposition we will use with this word died, it depends totally on the reason of the death of some person. For example, if a person died because of any disease or hunger or starvation or thirst or grief or shame, in that case we will use of preposition with the word died. For example, she died of fever. He died of malaria. He died of grief. But if the reason of the death of a person is wound or overeating or overdrinking or food poisoning, in that case we will use from preposition with the word died. Like he died from a wound. And if a person kills himself like suicide or violence, in that case we will use he died by violence. And if a person died because of the negligence of the other person, in that case we will use died through. For example, his father died through neglect. And if a person died for his country or for his faith, in that case we will use for preposition with the word died. For example, he died for his country. She died for her belief. And after that, if the reason of some person's death is battlefield or someone died in bed, in that case we will use in preposition with the word died. For example, he died in battle. He died in his bed. Die in harness means work till death. For example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India, was on work at the time of his death. He was delivering a speech. So, in that case, we can say that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam died in harness. Die with somebody. She died with her lover. So, what preposition we will use with the word died? It depends totally on the reason of death. We always use of preposition with cause and for with reason. What is the cause of murder? What is the reason for the absence of the teacher? I hope you like this video. Thank you.